today I'm going to be showing you my pigs. Over here, he's got Pepper. I think he's going to have some piglets around Christmas time. And we have Billy. We've had him for over about a year. And every week we we try to fill up the pig bucket. And then every week, and then when it's been a week, we come out here, feed it to the pigs, and all the scraps that we do not eat, we feed them to the pigs. And over there in that shed, we have some scraps from Queenstown. Every time we go into Queenstown, every Monday, we go into Queenstown to pick up the pig food, and that's how we feed our pigs.